Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create and send an invoice on Wise. If you work with international clients or freelancers, sending invoices and receiving payments across borders can sometimes be complicated. Fortunately, platforms like Wise make it much easier. Wise allows you to create professional invoices and send them directly to clients so they can pay you securely online. First, open your browser and go to the Wise website. Sign in to your account on Wise. Once you log in, you'll arrive at your Wise dashboard, where you can manage balances, send money, receive payments, and create invoices. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free before following the rest of this tutorial. From the Wise dashboard, look for the section that allows you to request payments or create invoices, which is the payment button. Then from that, click on Invoices after scrolling downwards. Wise provides a built-in invoicing tool designed especially for freelancers, consultants, and businesses that need to bill clients. Click on Create an Invoice to begin generating a new invoice. This will open the invoice editor, where you can customize all the details before sending it to your client. The first section of the invoice usually contains your information as the sender. Here you should enter details such as your name or business name, your email address, your billing address, any company registration information, if applicable. These details help make the invoice look more professional and official, especially when dealing with business clients. Next, you'll add the services or products you are billing for. In the item section, you can include description of the service, quantity or hours worked, price per unit, total amount. Wise will automatically calculate the total amount owed based on the details you enter. This ensures your invoice remains accurate and easy to understand. One of the advantages of using Wise is the ability to invoice clients in different currencies. You can choose the currency that works best for your client, such as USD, UR, GBP, or other supported currencies. Wise then handles the payment and conversion if needed. This is especially helpful when working with international clients. Before sending the invoice, always preview it first. Wise allows you to review the invoice exactly as your client will see it. Check for spelling mistakes, incorrect totals, wrong client details, missing information. This quick review step helps avoid confusion or payment delays. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invoice. Wise will send the invoice directly to your client's email address. Your client will receive a secure payment link, allowing them to pay the invoice online. By using Wise's built-in invoicing tool, you can easily generate invoices, send them to clients, and receive international payments securely. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.